to another day of what we eat as a family of 5. And today we're going to be doing some personal omelets. I have already started cooking, so I'm going to work on mine, but essentially they're kind of all the same for everybody. We're going to use 1 egg. We're going to use these liquid egg whites. We have spinach, tomato, and some green onion to add to our omelets. So let's get started. Alright guys, it's time for some green juice. My daughter has been coughing and she didn't go to school today because last night I think she had like a mild fever. Super mild. But I don't know. She was just coughing all day yesterday, the day before. Today, very rarely coughing. But we kept her home. And so what we're going to do is a green juice because that is what she requested. So we're going to gather some ingredients and make this. I still haven't even changed my outfit. I went to Pilates this morning, took a shower, put this on. Eventually, we will turn into a normal human being. But it's 11:30 and we still look like this. But alas, let's get this green juice started. So we finished. It is quite a bit of juice. As you can see, it's pretty concentrate. So what I like to do is I like to grab like a glass Tupperware. This jar is what we use. And I like to add water to this to kind of make it stretch a little bit. And like I said, it's super concentrate. So we're gonna add more water. And then we're going to add it to here as well as some ice. Mix it up together and that'll be our juice. Yeah. Yeah, we're getting water. So as you can see, it is pretty concentrate. Yeah, Mama.
And we made that.
Yeah, we made it with that. So this is about how much water we have. 25 ounces. Yes. Yeah, we did make that. And now ice. Now we need ice. Alright, here we go. Oh yeah, it's really good. Cheers! Yeah, we do have that. Alright, show them. Show them your green juice. Show them. Woohoo! They love it. It's a little chaotic here, but we're going to start making some quinoa. One of the things that I like to do with my quinoa is I actually like to cook it with chicken broth or vegetable broth. I actually had half of vegetable broth and another half of chicken broth. So I'm mixing them together today, but it's my substitution for water. I feel like it gives it a really nice flavor. Doesn't taste as bland and as earthy, I feel. And I'm going to add a little pinch of salt. Usually I do 1 cup too, just because it lasts a long time. It lasts for like one more meal if I need like leftovers, which sometimes I do. So we're going to add that. And then I gotta figure out my protein and my vegetables. I have no idea what I want to cook for that. We'll figure it out. We settled on some salmon. I'm going to add a little bit of avocado oil. Just coat the pan lightly. And then I'm going to add the salmon. I've already taken the skin off. And I like to cover it because these are frozen. With my cookware, I can cook from frozen to finish. But obviously, you probably want to thaw yours out. But since they're frozen, they do have a little bit of water and they kind of splash with the oil. So I cover it, wait a little bit, place the other one in there, and cover it again. In here, I'm going to add 1 little chicken breast because my kids, 2 of them, are not a fan of salmon. They don't like it. So I usually just do a little chicken on the side in the same pan because I'm kind of like searing it, not really like cooking it with juices and whatnot. But yeah, that's essentially what I do. And then we throw this in the trash. So let's start seasoning. For my salmon, we're gonna use a little bit of this salt-free dash lemon pepper. And then we're gonna add a little bit of dill weed. I really like how this tastes with the lemon. It gives it a nice little pop. And a little bit goes a long way. You don't have to put like a whole ton. And a little bit of garlic salt. You know, I live by garlic salt. This is like the only one I really use. So I'm gonna add just a tiny bit. And it's starting to sear. I'm gonna scoot this over just a tiny bit. And I'm going to place my chicken breast right in here. And we season this with just garlic salt. They just like plain garlic salt on their chicken. They don't like anything too fancy. So I'm going to add just garlic salt. And we cover. Flipped the salmon. We're gonna let it kind of toast and get nice and crispy on the other side now. Okay, so for our salad, we are slim picking over here. I don't have much in my fridge. I'm going to do a cucumber and cherry tomato feta salad. It has balsamic vinegar in it, salt, pepper, super simple, but I must say it's a fan favorite amongst everyone who comes to my house and I make this. They love it. I think that feta cheese just gives it a really nice flavor. So let's start doing this salad. we're gonna be doing some homemade burgers with a little bit of a guac salsa combo to go on the burger. So yeah, let's do it. I never did change, you know, sometimes this is just what happens. I don't have time to get ready, but it's okay. At least we took a shower, and that's the important part. Okay, so for our burger, we're gonna be using a little bit of garlic salt. We have my Sazon Tropical. You guys know that I love this. This is an all-time fave. It has no MSG, has that Latin flavor. And we're also gonna add a little bit of paprika to give it some color because it can look a little pale, and this is just kind of like my coloring. And any food that I want to give color, I use paprika. It's natural and it gives it a little nice flavor, but it's not overpowering. I'm also going to add 1 egg to this to kind of help stick it together and make the patties. And it's a little bit more protein. This is my leftover. I'm gonna be using this for meatballs. They like little mini meatballs, and I can get a good amount out of this, so we're gonna save this.
Your baby.
This completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, got some inspiration. Let me know which recipe you are going to try down below. Like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time. Mwah.